पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। स्वयं ज्योति ब्राह्मण लोकायत मत चारवाक मत comes as a पूर्व पक्ष. He says आत्म ज्योति इस देहादि संघात व्यतिरिक्तम is मनोरथ मात्र, is only your imagination. It has to be संघात धर्मत्व alone. Why? कार्यकरण संघात भाव भावित्वात्. This we saw on 992. So ज्योतिषः संघात धर्मत्वम अनुमीयते. We were seeing 4 number टिप्पणी सामान्यतो दृष्टस्य च अनुमानस्य व्यभिचारित्वात् अप्रामाण्यम्. सामान्यतो दृष्ट is नित्य इंद्रियार्थ अनुमापकम सामान्यतो दृष्टम. 4 number टिप्पणी. यथा चक्षुरादि अनुमापकम रूपादि ज्ञानम. If रूप ज्ञानम is there, it will do चक्षुरादि sadhya siddhi. So because I am getting jnanam of rupa, therefore I have eyes in this way. And visheshato drishtam is dhuma vanni drishtam. Drishtam samanyato drishtam iti cha asya vidhadvayam. Drishtam means visheshato drishtam and samanyato drishtam. In this way there are 2 prakara vidhadvayam. पूर्वम प्रत्यक्ष योग्यार्थम तद अयोग्यार्थम उत्तरम इति. पूर्वम मीन्स
सामान्यतः
विशेषतो दृष्टम. यत वाक्य से दृष्टम सामान्यतो दृष्टम इति च. तो पूर्वम विल बी व्हाट?
विशेष.
विशेषतो दृष्टम इस प्रत्यक्ष योग्यार्थ. सामान्यतो दृष्टम इज अयोग्यार्थ. तो धूमवन्नी इज विशेषतो दृष्टम. इट इज you can know it through pratyaksha also, but indriya is pratyaksha ayogyartham. सामान्यतो दृष्टं कार्य कारण भिन्न लिंगकम यथा पृथ्वीत्वेन द्रव्यत्व अनुमानम इति केचित्. सामान्यतो दृष्टं कार्य कारण भिन्न लिंगकम. सामान्यतो दृष्टम is where there is कार्य कारण भिन्न लिंगकम means भेद. यथा पृथ्वीत्वेन द्रव्यत्व अनुमानम इति केचित्. सामान्यतो दृष्टम अन्वय व्यतिरेकी यथा वन्यमान धूमार इत्यादि इति अपरे. पृथ्वीत्वेन द्रव्यत्व अनुमानम पृथ्वीत्व will become हेतु, द्रव्यत्व will be साध्य. यत्र यत्र पृथ्वीत्वं तत्र तत्र द्रव्यत्वम्. अयं घटो द्रव्यः पृथ्वीत्वात्. So this is different from कार्य कारण, because between पृथ्वी and द्रव्य कार्य कारण संबंध is not there. पर व्याप्य व्यापक का संबंध is there. Whereas Vanni Dhuma, they have कार्य कारण. Different ways people analyze, that is said there. So here Purvapakshi says, सामान्यतो दृष्टस्य च अनुमानस्य, in भाष्य, सामान्यतो दृष्टस्य च अनुमानस्य व्यभिचारित्वात् अप्रामाण्य. सामान्यतो दृष्ट अनुमानम is व्यभिचारी and therefore it is not pramana. ठीक है. लोकायतस्य हि देहावभासकमपि चक्षुः ततो न विद्यते तथा च व्यभिचारात् न त्वद् अनुमान प्रामाण्यम इत्यर्थः. लोकायतस्य हि देहावभासकम, और लोकायत देह अवभासकम चक्षु. चक्षु रिवील्स देह अवभासकम. ततो न विद्यते, ततो देहात्, from body it is not different, because according to Charvak, body is part of deha only. तथा च व्यभिचारात्. So what is the व्यभिचार according to them? Avabhasaka is not different from avabhasya. Chakshu is avabhasaka, deha is avabhasya, but chakshu is not different from deha. Avabhasaka is not different from avabhasya. So na vidyate, and therefore there is vyabhichara in your anumana, that the prakashaka has to be different from the sanghata. Charvak Mata says that is not true. Na tvad anumana pramanyam. Your anumana has no pramanyam. Manusyoham janami iti pratyaksha virodhachya. Manusyoham and janami. I am manushya and I know I am manushya. So there is pratyaksha virodha, because the knower and the known are one here. Virodhachya tvad anumanam amanam apramanam ityaha. Samanyato दृष्टबलेन हि भवान् आदित्यादिवत् व्यतिरिक्तं ज्योतिः साधयति कार्यकरणेभ्यः. How will you do अन्वय of this वाक्य?
भवान् सामान्यतः आदित्यादि व्यतिरिक्तं ज्योतिः कार्यकरणेभ्यः दृष्टबलेन साधयति.
कार्यकरणेभ्यः दृष्टबलेन. No. Somebody else?
सामान्यतो दृष्टफलेन हि भवान् आदित्यादिवत् कार्यकरणेभ्यः व्यतिरिक्तं ज्योतिः साधयति.
Yet कार्यकरणेभ्यः has to go with व्यतिरिक्तम. So, but actually you should say this way. भवान सामान्य तो दृष्ट बले नहीं आदित्यादि कार्यकरणेभ्यः व्यतिरिक्तम ज्योतिः साधयति आदित्यादिवत्. So Siddhant Purva Pakshi is saying you are doing siddhi of jyoti different from karya karana sanghata. Karya karanebhyah vyatiriktam jyoti. Like Aditya Jyoti. Aditya Jyoti is different from karya karana sanghata in Jagrata Avastha. In Swapna Avastha, the Jyoti, Swayam Jyotir will be karya karanebhyah vyatiriktam. This is what you are trying to prove. ननु तेन प्रत्यक्षम उत्सार्यताम इति चेत. If प्रत्यक्ष अनुभव is I am Manusha but I know, or Deha Bhasaka is Chakshu, which is part of Deha, in this way if you think, then that Pratyaksha is incorrect. Siddhanti is telling. Anumana is better. Therefore, Tena Pratyaksham Utsaryatam. Tena Anumanena Pratyaksham Utsaryatam, Badhyatam. That Anumana will do Bada of Pratyaksha. Iti chet netyaha. Nacha Pratyaksham Anumanena Baditum Shakyate. Pratyaksham Anumanena. Anumanena Pratyaksham Baditum na Shakyate. Which one cannot do Bada of which one?
By Anumana,
Anumana cannot do Bada of Pratyaksha.
Anumanena Pratyaksham Baditum na Shakyate. Anumana, by Anumana, Pratyaksha Bada cannot take place. Itasya Dehasyaiva Chaitanyam. This is Purvapakshi saying that Anumana cannot do Bada of Pratyaksha. And for this reason also, Deha itself is Chaitanya. You don't need separate Chaitanya. Ayam eva tu karya karana sanghataha pratyaksham pashyati shrunoti manute vijanati cha. This karya karana sanghata alone sees, hears, thinks, knows, etc. Jyotisho deha vyatirekam angikrityapi dushayati. Jyotishaha deha vyatirekam. This Jyoti is different from Deha. Angikritya api. Having accepted this also, dushayati. Yadi nama Jyotihi antaram. Purvapakshi, let's accept that Jyoti is different from Deha. Jyotihi antaram asya upakarakam syat adityadivat. Na tada atma syat Jyotihi antaram adityadivadeva. Jyotirantaram asya upakarakam syat adityadivat. Let's say there is some Jyoti which is upakaraka of this karyakarana sanghata. Like Aditya Jyoti is upakaraka of karyakarana sanghata. It will not be Atma. Na tad Atma syat. What is his anumanam? Whatever is the karyakarana sanghata upakarakam jyoti is not Atma, like Aditya. Aditya is karyakarana sanghato upakaraka. It is not Atma. In Swapna also, if there is a jyoti, is karyakarana sanghato upakaraka. It is not Atma. They have their wonderful way of thinking. Vimatam jyotihi anatma dehopakarakattvat adityavat. Whatever jyoti is there, that jyoti is anatma. Dehopakarakattvat. What is the vyapti in this? What is the vyapti?
यत्र यत्र देह उपकारकत्वं तत्र तत्र अनात्मत्वं
Yatra tatra dehopakarakattvam tatra tatra anatmatvam. Whatever is deha upakaraka is not Atma. So Aditya Jyoti is deha upakaraka, is not Atma. This Swapna Kalina Jyoti, which is different from Karyakarana Sanghata, is upakaraka, but it is not Atma. Atmatvam tarhi kasya ityashanka. Okay, then what has Atmatvam? य एव तु प्रत्यक्षम दर्शनादि क्रियाम करोति स एव आत्मा स्यात्. यह एव तु प्रत्यक्षम दर्शनादि क्रियाम करोति, that which is प्रत्यक्ष and that which does दर्शनादि क्रिया, स एव आत्मा. So it has to be pratyaksha jyoti like Aditya, and it does darshana, shravana, manana, vijnana, adi kriya. That is Atma. That is karyakarana sanghata. There is nothing else. Sa eva atma syad karyakarana sanghato na anya. Not anything else. अनुमानात् आत्मनो देह व्यतिरिक्तत्वम् उक्तम् इत्याशंका. अनुमानात् आत्मनो देह व्यतिरिक्तत्वम्. By anumana, atma different from deha. This is already discussed. Siddhanti will say. इत्याशंका. पूर्व पक्ष चार्वाक says प्रत्यक्ष विरोधे अनुमानस्य अप्रामाण्य. If your anumana is trying to do siddhi of anything which is virodhi of pratyaksha, that anumanam is not praman. Because for them pratyaksha is mukhya praman. And therefore na anya atma iti purvana sambandha. There is no other atma. Karyakarana sanghata is atma. देहस्य आत्मत्वे कादाचित्तम द्रष्टृत्व श्रोतृत्वादि अयुक्तम इति शंकते. देहस्य आत्मत्वे, if Siddhanti will say, if deha is atma, then drashtritva shrotritva, it is kadachittam. Every time you don't see, every time you don't hear, every time you don't think. So sometimes you do, sometimes you don't do. Deha is there all the time. So kadachittatva should not be there if deha is atma. Ayuktam iti shankate. Shankate siddhanti. Nanu ayameva chet darshanadi kriya karta atma sanghataha. Ayam sanghataha atma darshanadi kriya karta chet कथम अविकलस्यैव अस्य दर्शनादि क्रिया कर्तृत्वं कदाचित् भवति कदाचित् न इति. So then this deha Avikalasya eva. It is not sakala, as if it is vikala. Vikala means sometimes some parts are functioning, sometimes some parts are not functioning. So sometimes he has darshana kriya, sometimes shravana kriya, sometimes manana kriya, etc. If deha is atma, those kriyas should be there all the time. Kartrutva should be there all the time. Darshanadi kriya kartrutvam kadachit bhavati, kadachit na. Iti kadham. How? Swabhavavadi pariharati. Naisha dosho drishtatva. This is their swabhava. You don't ask questions on such things. Swabhavavadi means this is how it is seen. It is drishta. Drishtatvat naisha dosha. कादाचित के दर्शनादर्शने संभवतो देह स्वाभाव्यात् इति अत्र दृष्टान्तम्. In there कादाचित के दर्शनादर्शने संभवतः. Sometimes darshan is there, sometimes it is not there. Deha swabhavyat. It is swabhav of deha. He gives drishtanta. Nahi drishte anupapannam nama. Something what is seen, perceived, you cannot say it is not there or it is not possible. Because this is how it is. Nahi drashte anupapannam nama. Nahi khadyote, this is the drishtanta. Nahi khadyote prakasha aprakashatvena drishyamane karanantaram anumeya. Khadyote, a glowworm, jugnu. You see it having prakasha aprakasha, prakasha aprakasha. They glow every now and then. So if you are seeing it this way, you don't have to do any other anumanam and some other karana should be there for it to have light at some time and no light at some other time. Like that in our case also, sometimes I am having darshana kriya, sometimes shravana, sometimes manana, sometimes something. It is drishtam. So you don't have to have other karana for it. Vimatam karanantara purvakam kadachit katvat ghatavat iti anumanam drishtante bhavishyati iti asankya. Purvapakshi, when he said this, Siddhanti can do argument like this. He says Vimatam, 11 number tippani, Padyota Bhasuratvadikam, Karanantara Purvakam. So sometimes illumination does, sometimes not, is because of some other reason. It is not because their swabhava is like this. So karanantara purvakam, kadachit tattva. Whatever is kadachit is because of some other reason. If it is swabhava, it will be there all the time. Even Surya Darshanam for us, Surya Prakasha is there all the time. But we see it sometimes, we don't see it sometimes. So that means there is some other reason. The movement of the earth, etc. Kadachit tatvat, ghatavat. Ghata is sometimes there, sometimes not there. Sometimes it is formed, sometimes there is nothing. Why? Because it depends upon another karanam. So yatra yatra kadachit katvam, tatra tatra karanantara purvakatvam. This anumanam is there. Bhavishyati iti ashankya. Purvapakshi says, Agnirushna iti vad ushnam udakam iti api dravyatvadina anumiyata iti ati prasangam. Okay, then you do another anumanam also. Udakam, ushnam, dravyatvad, agnivat. Jal also may be hot. Why? Because it is dravya. So just because you know how to do anumanam does not mean you can prove random things. अनुमेयत्वे च केन केनचित् सामान्यात् सर्वं सर्वत्र अनुमेयं स्यात्. If you can do anumanam, then kenachit, by someone, by some, not by someone, by some similarity. Kenachit samanyat sarvam sarvatra anumeyam syat. You can do anything anumeya, siddha, sadhya, anywhere. So some things will be common. Just because of that, there is no karya karana sambandha. Such anishtam. It is not right. Nanu yad bhavati tad sanimittam eva na swabhavat bhavat. Swabhavat bhavat. Kinchid asmakam prasiddham tata. Nanu yad bhavati means 13 number tippani karyam utpadyate. Any karya utpatti, if it is there, tad sanimittam eva. You need a nimitta for it. Na swabhavat bhavat. Kinchid asmakam prasiddham. Just by itself, something will happen because it is its nature. It is not prasiddham for us. Na asmakam kinchit prasiddham tatraha. Nacha padartha swabhavo nasti. Siddhanti said it is not only padartha swabhava. He said don't say padartha swabhava is not there. Nahi agner ushna swabhavyam anya nimittam udakasya va shaitya. Nahi agnehe ushna swabhavyam. That fire has heat is anya nimittam. Udakasya va shaityam anya nimittam. Not padartha swabhava, that you cannot say. It is padartha swabhava, that agni is ushna, jala is shita. It is swabhava. It is not anya nimittam. So, in the same way, the kadachitta of karyakarana sanghata expressing as drashta, sometimes shrota, sometimes manta, it is swabhava only. And you don't need anya jyoti, different from sanghata. That sanghata itself is atma. That atma itself is jyoti. Means jyoti is part of sanghata, according to Purvaksha. Agni raushnyam udakasya shaityam ityadyapi na nirnimittam kintu prani adrishtapeksham iti shankate. Agnehe aushnyam udakasya shaityam, they are not nirnimittam. But prani adrishtapeksham, they depend upon adrishta. Adrishta means prarabdha. Now, why is water cold? Your prarabdha. Why is agni hot? Your prarabdha. Prani drishta, adrishta. Prani dharma dharmadi apeksham iti ched. It is because of my dharma that a thing, a padartha, dravya behaves in certain way. Adi shabdena ishwaradi grihate. Dharma and ishwara. You can say all the sadharana karana, whatever that Nayayikas believe, that also you can add. Gudhavi sandhi swabhavavadi aha. Swabhavavadi who has a secret project to establish. He said dharma der nimittantara apeksha swabhavatva prastanga. Dharma dehe nimittantara apeksha. Dharma, etc. If you have some other nimitta, nimitantara apeksha swabhavatva. Dharma dharmadi also will have some other nimitta that they will expect. पदार्थ है स्वभाव, you say dharma dharmadi are nimitta. Dharma dharmadi are nimitta because of some other स्वभाव, then it will go on anavastha. अस्तु इति चेत् तद अनवस्था प्रसंगः. Every स्वभाव वस्तु will expect some कारणांतर, निमित्तांतर. स्वाभाविक वस्तु should not expect another karana. If you start expecting that, there will be anavastha. प्रसंगस्य इष्टत्वं शंकित्वा स्वाभिप्रायम् आह अस्तु इति चेत् अनवस्था सच अनिष्ट. अनवस्था मूलक्षयकरी. अनवस्था is a dosha. So that thinking is not correct. सिद्धांती स्वप्नादि सिद्धि अनुपपत्या देहातिरिक्तम आत्मानम अभ्युपगमयन उत्तरम आह. सिद्धांती स्वप्नादि सिद्धि अनुपपत्या से स्वप्नादि सिद्धि अनुपपन्न. अनुपपन्न means this is असिद्ध. देहातिरिक्तम आत्मानम अभ्युपगमयन उत्तरम आह. सिद्धांति says देहाति अतिरिक्तम आत्मा you have to accept. How? न स्वप्न स्मृत्योर दृष्टस्यैव दर्शनात्. In swapna and smriti, swapna is only of those things which we have seen before. Smriti is always of those things which we have seen before. So swapna smrityoho drishtasyeva darshana. तत्र नयर्थम विभजते. Yaduktam, nayartham means that first na which is there, no. So that na. This is pratignya of Siddhanti. Now he elaborates. यदुक्तम स्वभाववादिना देहस्यैव दर्शनादि क्रिया न व्यतिरिक्तस्य इति तन्ना. स्वभाववादी said that deha alone will have darshanadi kriya. Deha vyatirikta vastu will not have darshanadi kriya. Is not true. Darshanadi kriya is because of something which is deha vyatirikta. स्वप्ने दृष्टस्यैव दर्शनात् इति हेतु भागम व्यतिरेक द्वारा विवृणोति. In swapna, I will see only those things which I have already experienced. Iti hetu bhagam, this hetu bhaga is swapna smrityor drishtasyeva darshanat. So it has two, swapna drishtasyeva darshanat, swapne drishtasyeva darshanat, and smritau drishtasyeva darshanat. So he splits that and he takes swapna part first. That hetu bhagam व्यतिरेक द्वारा विवृणोति यदि ही. तो previous sentence we saw, right? यदुक्तम स्वभाववादिना देहस्यैव दर्शनादि क्रिया न व्यतिरिक्तस्य इति तन्ना. That deha alone will have kriya, not something different from that, is not true. यदि ही देहस्यैव दर्शनादि क्रिया स्वप्ने दृष्टस्यैव दर्शनम. देहस्यैव दर्शनादि क्रिया स्वप्ने दृष्टस्यैव दर्शनम न स्यात्. If Deha alone will have Darshanadi Kriya, then in Swapna, Drishtasya Darshanam na syat. Now, what is the connection between Deha doing Darshanadi Kriya and Swapna seeing something not seen before? What is the sambandha? That he is going to explain. See. जाग्रत देहस्य द्रष्टुः स्वप्ने नष्टत्वात् अतीन्द्रियस्य संस्कारस्य च अनिष्टत्वात् अन्य दृष्टे च अन्यस्य स्वप्नायोगात् न स्वप्ने दृष्टस्यैव दर्शनम देहात्मवादे संभवति इत्यर्थः. जाग्रत देहस्य द्रष्टुः स्वप्ने नष्टत्वात्. According to Charvak, now what is established? Deha is drashta. One thing. So Jagrat Deha is drashta. Jagrat Deha drashta is not there in Swapna. Swapna nashta. In Atindriyasya samskarasya. Samskara which are not known through Indriya, that they will not accept Anishtatvat. Anishta, why? Because for their darshan, 14 number tippani, Pratyakshaika Sharanasya Dehatmavadina. They are Pratyakshaika Sharanaha. You accept only Pratyaksha Pramana. You don't accept anything else. Anishtatvat. Anya Drishte cha Anyasya Swapna Ayogat. The Drashta who was there in Jagrat is Nashta. And then in Swapna, if you are seeing something, is because of what? Vedanti, Siddhanti accept samskaras. They don't accept samskara because they are not pratyaksha. So, anya drashtecha anyasya swapna ayogat. So then where is the drashta in swapna? That swapna drashta, swapna karyakarana sanghata is different. No swapne drashtaseva darshanam dehatmavade sambhavati. So in swapna, the drashta is different than jagrat drashta, and samskaras are not there. So drashtasya darshanam na sambhavati in dehatmavada. Ma bhut drishtasyeva swapne drishtihi andhasyapi swapna drishte rityasankya. Okay, let the drishtasyeva swapne drishtihi ma bhut. Whatever I have experienced already in Jagrat, that alone I should experience in Swapna. Let it not be there. Purvapakshi, Charvak will say. Why? Andhasyapi swapne drishte hai, swapna drishte hai, ityasankya. A blind person will say, I saw this in dream. Because now he is blind. Earlier he might have seen, or in previous janma something he might have experienced. Lot of things, some samskaras are there, he might see something in Swapna. Iti asankyaha. Andhaha swapnam pashyan drishta purvam eva pashyati na shakat dvipadigatam adrishta purvam. Andhaha, a blind person, swapnam pashyan drashta purvam eva pashyati. Whatever he has seen before, only those objects he is going to see. Na shakat dvipadigatam adrishta purvam. Shakadvipa, some island, let us say, there, where he has never visited. What is there in that, he will not see in his dream. Because it is न दृष्टपूर्वम, अदृष्टपूर्वम इज न दृष्टपूर्वम. अथो उभयत्र देहस्यैव दृष्टत्वे का हानिरिति चेत् अतः. So therefore, in both places, in Jagrat and Swapna, Ubhayatra, Jagrat Swapna Avasthayo, Dehaseva Drashtratva. Deha alone is Drashta. What is the problem? Ka hani iti chet ataha tatasya etat siddham. No, previous one we have to see. टीका अपि शब्दो अध्याहर्तव्यः. अंधः स्वप्नं पश्यन् दृष्टपूर्वमेव पश्यति, न शाकद्वीपादिगतम् अपि पश्यति. अपि you have to do अध्याहरते. पूर्वदृष्टस्यैव स्वप्ने दृष्टत्वे अपि कुतो देह व्यतिरिक्तो द्रष्टा सिद्ध्यति इत्याशंका. पूर्वदृष्टस्यैव स्वप्ने दृष्टत्व. पूर्वदृष्ट वस्तु in Jagrat alone is seen in Swapna दृष्टत्वे अपि कुतो देह व्यतिरिक्तो द्रष्टा सिद्ध्यति. Then how, by proving that, how are you proving देह व्यतिरिक्त द्रष्टा? आशंका ततश्च एतत् सिद्धं भवति. यः स्वप्ने पश्यति दृष्टपूर्वं वस्तु सः एव पूर्वं विद्यमाने चक्षुषी अद्राक्षी न देह इति. The one who sees in swapna, what he sees, what he has seen already before, घटपटादि. सः एव पूर्वं विद्यमाने चक्षुषी, the eyes which were there earlier in Jagrat, Adrakshi, na Deha, not Deha. Deha is not Drashta. Here he has changed over. How he puts the one what he sees in swapna, that was tu saha eva purvam vidyamane chakshushi adrakshi. So that's how what he has seen in swapna he will see in Jagrat. That is how in Hindi अनुवाद they have given. जो दृष्टा स्वप्न में पूर्व दृष्ट वस्तु को देखता है वही जागृत दशा में चक्षु के विद्यमान रहने पर देखता है, शरीर नहीं देखता. But to be consistent, that actually swapna is the impressions of Jagrat. You can put both, one impression follows the other and it just goes on. But generally, Jagrat impressions come in swapna. So then, whatever I have seen in Jagrat is seen in swapna. But the drashta, the seer, is different from the karyakarana sangata. This we can prove. In both places, if deha alone is drashta, then ka hanihi iti chedataha dehaschet drashta sa yena adrakshi tasmin udhrite chakshushi swapne tadeva drashtapurvam na pasyet. If deha is drashta, then in swapna that deha along with the chakshu is not available. So then he cannot see anything in swapna. Purvam vidyamane chakshushi or drakshi. Those chakshus are not there anymore. So deha is not drashta. तत्र सहकारी चक्षुः अभावात् चक्षुरन्तरस्य च उत्पत्तौ देहान्तरस्यापि समुत्पत्ति संभवात् अन्य दृष्टे अन्यस्य न स्वप्नः स्यादित्यर्थः। सहकारी चक्षुः अभावात्, देयर इज नो इन स्वप्नावस्था फॉर ए द्रष्टा सहकारी चक्षु इज नॉट देयर because that सहकारी चक्षु is part of जागृत शरीर which is gone. चक्षुरंतरस्य उत्पत्तौ, if you say another चक्षु उत्पत्ति there, चक्षु is part of देहादि संघात, then you have to accept another देह, देहांतरस्यापि समुत्पत्ति संभवात् अन्य दृष्टेर अन्यस्य न स्वप्नः स्यात्. What Chaitra has seen, Maitra cannot see that in dream. What जागृत शरीर has seen, स्वप्न शरीर cannot dream. मा भूत पूर्व दृष्टे स्वप्नो हेतु अभावात् इति आशंका. Okay, let swapna not be the impressions gathered from jagrat. Then अस्ति च लोके प्रसिद्धिः पूर्वं दृष्टं मया हिमवतः शृंगम अद्य अहम स्वप्ने अद्राक्षम् इति उद्धृत चक्षुषाम अंधानाम अपि. But it is prasiddha in loka what that earlier I saw Himalayan peak Himavatah Shringam. Now in my dream also I see Himalaya. And this can happen to a blind person or someone who doesn't have eyes in dream. That much is enough. कथन्ते जात्यन्धानाम ईदृक् दर्शनम इति चेत् जन्मांतर अनुभव वशात् इति ब्रह्म. Those who are born blind, how do they have such experience? From previous jnana. अंधस्य देहस्य अदृष्टत्वेपि चक्षुष्मतस्य स्यादेव दृष्टत्वम्. For a blind person, देहस्य अदृष्टत्वेपि, देह is not drashta, but the one who has chakshu, chakshushmatasya, tasya syadeva drashtatva. His chakshus are there, deha is not drashta, and I am not experiencing what is there from the jagrat in swapna, because those indriyas, that deha is not available. अंधस्य देहस्य अदृष्टत्वे अपि. For a blind person, deha is not drashta. चक्षुष्मतस्य तस्य एव स्यात्. पूर्व पक्षी says okay. For blind person, leave that case. At least the one who has eyes, deha is drashta. No. चक्षुष्मतस्य तस्य, तस्य means देहस्य स्यादेव दृष्टत्वम् इति आशंक्याः. तस्माद् अनुद्धृते अपि चक्षुषी यः स्वप्नदृक् सः एव द्रष्टा न देह इति अवगम्यते. अनुद्धृते अपि चक्षुषी, even if the eyes are not lost, यः स्वप्नदृक् सः एव द्रष्टा. The one who is स्वप्नदृक् alone is द्रष्टा. न देह इति अवगम्यते. देह is not द्रष्टा. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.